Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we're making fried mozzarella. So first we're going to want to cut our mozzarella. Cut in the cheese. So now we're probably going to want to cut them in half again. We might want to cut the big ones again. Okay. So now we take our mozzarella, put it in some flour, egg it, breadcrumb it, put it in here. So now we repeat this until we have just enough to serve. So now you're going to want to stick your mozzarella into the freezer for about 20 minutes so it firms up, and so when we put the mozzarella in the oil, it doesn't just droop everywhere. It doesn't just turn into a big blob. Okay. Well, this is like 20 minutes later, so we have our firmer cheese. So now you may want to pour out some cooking or vegetable oil, heat it up while you're pulling the mozzarella out. Still wait a couple minutes. We put a couple of test pieces in. Now we're going to want to take our first piece. Oh yeah. Let's take on a full-on slab. Now we're gonna start taking pieces out, putting it on its own plate. Now you're gonna want to take a paper towel and like pat it out so that you get like all the oil out of the mozzarella paper. So now that we have our pieces, if you want, you can drizzle some tomato sauce on. That's not very drizzly. I'm just gonna put a dollop on each one at this point. I don't care. Which one? Let's say you. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's close. That is magnificent. Y'all should make it. That's all for today on Wilson and Family Kitchen. See y'all next time. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, please. Please. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. See y'all next time on Wilson and Family Kitchen. That is magnificent. Y'all should make it.